Hello, everyone. Welcome to an Education Commons Presents session titled Using ePortfolios in Quercus. My name is Ryan Lottie, and today we're going to explore ePortfolios. For the agenda today, the first thing we're going to look at are what are ePortfolios? And then I'm going to explain how you can start an ePortfolio, how to build it out, how to share it, and then some other digital portfolio options that are available. So first things first, what are ePortfolios? People use ePortfolios for a variety of reasons, but a really popular reason at OISE is to create an online teaching portfolio. You can also create an online site that can be turned into an assignment. You can also use portfolios to share mastery of course outcomes and to share your best work from courses you've taken. It's also a great way to showcase professional quality work for prospective employers. All right, so step one, how do you start an ePortfolio? The first thing you're going to do is head over to Quercus. Once you've logged in, if you click on the account button in the left-hand side of the page, you'll then see another button called ePortfolios. In there, if you haven't already created an ePortfolio, you'll have a message that will explain what ePortfolios are. At the bottom of the page, there is a Create an ePortfolio button. Once you click that button, now you can choose a name for your portfolio and you can choose to make it public. If you don't want to make it public right now, you can always come back to this at a later time and make it public. All right, now for the heavy lifting, how to build your ePortfolio. Once you've created your ePortfolio with a name, you'll be brought to this page. Now let's click Go to the actual ePortfolio. As you can see, there's nothing inside my ePortfolio yet, but off to the right-hand side, I can start editing my portfolio page by page. When I click Edit this page, it now pops up the Rich Text Content Editor, where I can type in text and add different types of media. Once you've added some content to your page, click Save. As you can see, my portfolio is still pretty bare bones. I can also add additional sections so my portfolio has more than just a home page. If I click Organize Sections, I now have an option to add sections. Now that I've added sections, let's hop over to an ePortfolio I've already created to show you some of the cool features. As you can see, I've added a picture and a link to my home page. If I go into my online teaching section, I've also uploaded some videos. They're embedded directly into my ePortfolio. The nice thing about using ePortfolios as well is that you can also add additional pages within the sections of your ePortfolio. In the top right-hand corner, you can organize/manage pages. Here's where you can add additional pages. In my MT assignments section, I've added additional sections for different courses. This is great if you want to share assignments in each of these pages that are specific to those courses. This means that your portfolio can be separated into different sections and pages. Feel free to get creative with the information you add to your ePortfolio. Here I've added a sample resume, but you could go as far as adding more pictures, videos, external links, and files. You can personalize your ePortfolio as much as you want. Now I'm going to show you how to share your ePortfolio. If you're looking to share your ePortfolio, click the Account button and then navigate down to ePortfolios. Once you're here, choose the ePortfolio you wish to share. If your ePortfolio has been set to private, Quercus will provide you with a unique link that you can share with people who you want to view your portfolio. If you want to make your portfolio public, go down to ePortfolio settings and check the box Make it Public and then update your ePortfolio. You also have the option to download the contents of your ePortfolio as a zip file. This can be really useful if you want to take your portfolio outside of Quercus. And lastly, there are other digital portfolio options on the market. Most of them now live as website builders, so things like Wix, Google Sites, Squarespace, Weebly, Adobe Portfolio, and Journal Portfolio are all great options to create your own digital portfolio that you can make available on the internet. Another option is to use presentation software. So using things like PowerPoint, Pages, or Prezi can be a great way to share that information as well. And lastly, creating a video presentation of your portfolio is another great and engaging way to show prospective employers about all of your skills and things you've done. And that's it for the ePortfolio video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Education Commons. Thank you.